guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I have been wanting to do one of these Amazon mystery boxes for a while, and I finally have an opportunity to do so. This one here comes from the company Venetian Princess, and I'll have all the information up here so you guys can see where I got it from and everything. Now, the picture that is on the Amazon page is basically giving you a gist of the things that might be in the box, but of course each box is different. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up this box here and show you guys what is inside. So this one here is a beauty box, and let's see what we got. So the first item that I have here is a Purifying peel-off mask, and I love to use black mask. I can't wait to check this one out. This is from the company Shields. And this is what it looks like. So far, so good. Let's see. The next item here is from Clean Color. It is a nail polish remover pad. So the next item that I have here are some nails. These are some press-on nails, and these are from Mia Secret. Let's see. The next item here is from Clean Color. This is the Airy Minerals Loose Powder Blush. So this one looks kind of rough. Yeah, this one's been rolling around in the box. Like I said, the content is pretty much everywhere all over this one. And a little dusty. Okay, so on to the next. This is also, okay, so is everything from Clean Color? Okay, so far we have 3 items that are from this company, Clean Color, and this one is some waterproof eyeliner. Now, that is nice. You guys can see that. I'm gonna look crazy for the rest of this video, but it's just me trying it out. It seems like, I feel like it's easy, like it goes on easy. And we'll see later on how this works. But I do like the packaging for this precision eyeliner. Okay, so this next one here is the, it's a matte lipstick. And of course, once again, this is from Clean Color. I'm not familiar with this company, but this color here is Arctic. So I'm gonna take a look. There you go. You can see Arctic there. And let's take a look and see what this looks like. Okay, well, no. No. What the hell is this? What is this? Okay. Excuse me. Moving on. So this next one here is also from Clean Color. This is a lip gloss. This is matte as well. And I can already tell this is not going to be my color. Now, I will say this. It's very pretty for the person, you know, for the right person. I mean, that's really, really pretty. It's a really rich color. And it's color 1614. That's all I got for you. So... oh, and it smells. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Oh, guys, seriously, this smells so freaking good. It feels very soft. Oh, it goes on so smooth. Although this is obviously not my color, this goes on smooth. It smells amazing. It feels good. Now I'm starting to get that feeling where it's starting to dry. And I actually like that one, just not for me. So the next one that I have here is a silicone blender. And of course, once again, this is from Clean Color. Okay. All right, so I've never seen a silicone blender before. I don't know if you guys have, but yeah. See it? Take the littlest amount of cream liquid product and go in a circular motion or back and forth. Spread. Okay, so then you can either do it in a circular motion when you're putting on your so you can pretty much go in a circular motion when you're putting on any type of like cream or liquid, or back and forth. Okay. I see you. So the next thing here is, so this is a Balm. Say that 3 times over. This is a Clean Color. It is the Ultra Nourishing Lip Balm. Okay, I never had one of those before either. The scent strawberry, it smells really good. This is what it looks like. I've always wanted one of these. Oh, this smells so good. It's a cute. I like this one. This is the Femme lipstick, of course. Once again, this is from the company Clean Color. And it looks like this. Very pretty. Let's see. These lipsticks are beautiful. Just not for this chocolate woman here, okay? All right. I'm not even gonna try this on, but once again, we have Clean Color. This time we have a lipstick called Sugar Spice. You guys can see this is pink, okay? It is very pink. On to the next. This one here is another lip gloss, and this is in, well, some of these have numbers. This has 1639, and it looks purple. Yeah, so you can see this is a lip gloss and it is purple. Something I definitely would not wear. Dear Lord, help me. Definitely out of my element. Goes on smooth, doesn't have a scent. But now I look like I am headed to the morgue. No. That's a no from me. My lips are going to be so sore when I'm done with this. Okay, let's see. Also in here, this is great. I could definitely use this right now. This is from Mia Secrets. This is a professional nail file. Love these. Actually was in need of one. So the next one that they have here is in the color Chili Pepper, and this is from Clean Color once again. This is a liquid lip pencil. So this is what it looks like. So let's see. This also came in there, and it's all in one big bag. So we're gonna see what this is. Oh, okay. Now we're getting to the other parts. This is the 5-color matte eyeshadow from LA Colors, and I'll show you guys what they look like. And I think these colors are really, really pretty. Love it. Okay, so the next one I have here is the High Definition Press Powder with a mattifying finish. So, oh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. So this is a 6-color eyeshadow palette from Clean Color, and this is really pretty. Oh, I like that. Look at this. Look at it. This is a makeup girl's dream. I really, really wish that I was good at doing like makeup and stuff, because this, I mean, these two, this would be something really, really fun to play around with. So let's see what else we have. All right, let's pour this out. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, there's a lot of things. Okay. Let's get to the first one. This one is a base coater, and it's in this little bottle here. Pretty little bottle. This next one is a makeup setting spray, and it gives like a dewy finish, long lasting. And this is from Clean Color again. Wow, we just need to go ahead and just make this a Clean Color box, don't we? Let's see. Can you tell the difference? I have 4 fingernail polishes here. The next one here is in the color Neon Pink. This one is in the color Pearl Beige. I like that. Oh, this is pretty too. This is in the color Frappuccino. Very pretty. You can see the little glitter in there. And this is in the color Wicked Angelic. Not sure if you put that on how it goes on. So I'm going to try Pearl Beige. I was kind of disappointed once I put on Pearl Beige, but that color, this color here is just not working for me. Pink. This is Confetti Sprinkles. How pretty is this? I'm going to put that over this neon pink and see what it looks like. So I put the confetti sprinkles over the neon pink. How cute is that? Seriously, how cute is that? Now, I would rock it that way. I definitely wouldn't rock it just pink by itself, but putting that little bit of that sprinkle on there definitely made that pretty and made it stand out. Well, guys, that is all of the products that are inside of the box that I received from Venetian Princess. And to be honest with you, I liked pretty much almost everything that's in this box here. It would have been easier had they asked, like, what's your skin tone? What's your beauty routine? And they would be able to better match the right colors to you, because otherwise I would have kept everything that was in the box. But overall, I will give this maybe a 6 out of 10 simply because I hate throwing things away or just not being able to use something. And it would have been a lot easier had I had some more stuff that worked for me. Another thing is there's not a lot of variety when it comes to companies that they've put in the box. There's mostly items from Clean Color, and there's mostly items from Mia Secret, which makes me feel as if they should have just marketed this as one of those product boxes as opposed to a mystery box, because it takes away from the fun when you look inside and you see that there's so many of one set thing. But as I said before, with this company, they send out different boxes. You guys can check the reviews. So you're not just, when you order it, you may not even receive any of the things that I have here in this box. But at the end of the day, this was fun to try something different. And in the end, I have some items that I can definitely work with. Well, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will be back on Wednesday with my freebies and wins videos. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.